Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use an AI tool that can help us to generate fantastic videos or limited number of videos and completely free of charge. Okay, this is going to be created from text to video, and this AI tool is none other than Quen 2.5 developed by Alibaba Cloud. It's just been released, and the first thing you need to do is to start by clicking on the link in the description of this video, and it will bring you over to this very platform. Now the next thing is you can click on this Quen chat, and it will take you to the chatbot where we can start creating the video completely free of charge. So once you're here, you can come over to video creation. If you can't see this video creation on your own, it means maybe there are some regional specific, restrictions. Probably this AI tool is not in your site. It has not reached your country yet, so there's a plan, there's a way to bypass it or to work around this, which I will tell you at the end of the video. But once you click on the link and you come to the chat.quenlm.ai, it will bring you over here. So if you want to create videos, you can always come over here and click on video generation. So the first thing you need to do is to start by defining the aspect ratio of the video that you want to create. You can click on this, you can vary the aspect ratio from here however you want it. You can vary directly if you are interested in varying, but for this tutorial I want to keep everything at default, so we go with 16:9. Now we can give a simple prompt to this so that it can help us to generate the video. So let's say, all right, so let's say create the video of monkeys playing football in the jungle. Can you do this? So let's go ahead and hit on enter to this, and this is going to now submit it to the AI tool to be able to create. This might take some time, so you can feel free to go in and do some other things and come back to check it. But while we wait, let me show you what it has created previously. This is a lion swimming and eating apples. This is the prompt that I given it, and this is how fantastic it has created it. Can you see how clear the video is? And you can see clearly the lion is eating the apples and is enjoying it clearly. Okay, so look at the clarity of the video. This is solemnly created by this AI tool. You can download it if you're interested by just coming over to download here, or you can come to this three dots and download directly and you have it for yourself. Okay, very easily. You can see it over here. You can download it, and once you click, you'll be able to see also and play it and enjoy the video. You can see the clarity in the skin and in the hair, as well as what it is doing in the water. You can see it is eating the apple clearly. So this is one. I have generated another one as well. Let me show you. This one is a prompt that I gave a video of a lion eating in a restaurant with cat and mouse together. So they're eating in a restaurant with cat and mouse. So let's see the clarity and what it is going to give us. All right, so you can see the videos have just been created. So this is the one we gave on the prompt, create the video of monkeys playing football in the jungle. So let's see how clear this is also going to be. You can see they are playing the football and in the jungle. They are really enjoying it, and it's really perfectly what we've asked it to create for us. You can see, if you want to see it clearly, just zoom it out so you can see very clear. They are really playing in the jungle and they are playing football. Let's download it also by coming here and clicking on download, and you can see it's just been downloaded. Now the second one is lion and a cat dining in a restaurant and eating together. Okay, so let's say a video of a lion eating in a restaurant with cat and mouse. So this one also had been created. You can see the lion, you can see the mouse and the cat. They're eating together in the restaurant, and you can see they are really enjoying the food together. This is really wonderful. So these videos were all created using this very free AI tool, and you can do that unlimited. So please feel free to go ahead and try on your own and see what you can develop using your own creativity for your own content creation or the above. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.